How much does a new roof typically cost? A new roof typically costs between $7,000 and $25,000 for an average home, depending on the roof size, materials, labor, location, and needed repairs. The price is based less on the home's floor area and more on the roof's actual size and shape. Asphalt shingles are usually the least expensive common choice, while metal, tile, and slate cost more but may last longer. A simple roof with one or two large surfaces costs less because contractors can work faster and waste fewer materials. A roof with many angles, valleys, skylights, or steep sections takes more time and requires extra safety equipment. Before installing the new covering, the contractor may need to replace rotted wood, damaged flashing, or old ventilation parts, which can add hundreds or thousands of dollars. Removing and disposing of the old roof covering is often included, but it should be confirmed in writing. One detail many homeowners miss is that the roof size is measured in roofing squares, with one square covering 100 square feet, and contractors use that measurement to calculate materials and labor. To get a useful estimate, ask at least 3 licensed and insured contractors for written quotes that list materials, removal, permits, ventilation, warranties, and possible extra charges. A common mistake is comparing only the lowest total price, because a cheap quote may leave out wood repairs, cleanup, or proper ventilation, so compare every line item instead. Another mistake is assuming a roof will last its full advertised life in every situation, since strong sunlight, storms, poor attic airflow, and weak installation can shorten its life, so ask about the expected life for your specific home. Some homeowners also accept a contractor's word that a small leak means only a small repair, but water can travel far beneath the roof covering, so have the attic and decking inspected before choosing a fix. Be cautious of anyone demanding full payment before work begins, and use a written contract with payment stages tied to completed work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.